The Western Ghats, a mountain range older than the Himalayas, a spine running down the western coast of India. This is a place teeming with life, a UNESCO World Heritage Site no less. These mountains are home to a staggering variety of plants and animals. Many are found nowhere else on Earth. Tigers prowl the dense forests. Elephants roam through the valleys. Exotic birds fill the air with their calls. The Western Ghats are also the source of life-giving rivers. They flow east and west, nourishing the land. They support millions of people. These mountains are truly a treasure. The monsoon arrives in early June, a much-anticipated event that marks the beginning of a dramatic transformation. It sweeps in from the Arabian Sea, bringing with it life-giving rain that rejuvenates the land and breathes new life into the environment. The dry season, with its parched earth and relentless heat, is soon forgotten as the first drops of rain touch the ground. The landscape bursts into vibrant green, a stark contrast to the brown and barren land that existed just days before. Waterfalls, dormant for months, roar back to life with a newfound vigor, their waters cascading down with an unstoppable force. They plunge from dizzying heights, creating a breathtaking spectacle that captivates all who witness it. The waterfalls create a symphony of sound, a natural orchestra that fills the air with its powerful melody. The air is thick with moisture, a palpable presence that clings to the skin and fills the lungs with every breath. Clouds drift across the mountaintops, moving like ethereal beings that dance and swirl in the sky. They cloak the peaks in a veil of mist, adding an element of mystery and magic to the already enchanting landscape. The world feels fresh and new, as if it has been washed clean and given a second chance to thrive. It is a time for renewal, a period when nature undergoes a rebirth and everything seems to come alive once more. This is the monsoon magic of the Western Ghats, a phenomenon that transforms the region into a lush, green paradise. It is a time to witness the raw power of nature, to see firsthand the incredible force that the monsoon brings with it, and to experience the beauty of a world reborn, a world that has been given new life and new hope by the arrival of the monsoon. Munnar, in Kerala, is a hill station like no other. Imagine emerald green tea gardens that seem to roll endlessly over the hills. Picture them stretching as far as the eye can see, a sea of green that blends seamlessly with the horizon. Now add low-hanging clouds that kiss the mountain slopes, creating a mystical and almost otherworldly atmosphere. That is Munnar. The air is cool and refreshing, a welcome respite from the heat and hustle of city life. It's like nature's own air conditioning. The aroma of tea fills your senses, a fragrant reminder of the rich heritage and tradition of tea cultivation in this region. It is the perfect place to escape the heat of the plains, offering a cool retreat where you can unwind and rejuvenate, and to lose yourself in the tranquility of the hills, where the only sounds are the whispers of the wind and the rustle of tea leaves. Take a leisurely stroll through the tea estates, where each step brings you closer to nature. Visit a tea factory to see the intricate process of tea production. Learn about the process of making your favorite beverage, from the plucking of the leaves to the final packaging. It's a fascinating journey of craftsmanship and tradition. And don't forget to sip a cup of freshly brewed tea. It's pure magic, a moment of bliss that captures the essence of Munnar. Whether you're a tea connoisseur or just someone looking for a peaceful escape, Munnar offers an experience that is both enriching and unforgettable. The combination of natural beauty, cool climate, and the rich aroma of tea makes it a destination like no other. So come, breathe in the fresh mountain air, let the serene landscape soothe your soul, and immerse yourself in the timeless charm of Munnar. Coorg in Karnataka is often called the Scotland of India. Rolling hills are blanketed in coffee plantations. The air is fragrant with the aroma of coffee and spices. It is a land of misty mountains and cascading waterfalls. Coorg is also home to a unique culture. The Kodavas, the local people, are known for their hospitality. Their traditions and cuisine are fascinating. Visit ancient temples, explore the wildlife sanctuaries, or simply relax in a homestay. Enjoy the local cuisine. Soak in the beauty of the rain-washed landscape. Coorg will captivate your senses. Section 5. Mahabaleshwar, a plateau shrouded in mist. Mahabaleshwar, in Maharashtra, is a plateau in the Western Ghats. It is known for its stunning views. Imagine looking out over misty valleys. Picture ancient forts perched on mountaintops. That is the magic of Mahabaleshwar. During the monsoon, the plateau is shrouded in mist. The air is cool and invigorating, Waterfalls thunder down the hillsides. It is a sight to behold. Take a walk along the winding roads. Visit the strawberry farms. Enjoy a picnic by a waterfall. Mahabaleshwar is a place to reconnect with nature. It is a place to find peace and tranquility. Section 6. The Wonders of Monsoon Flora. The monsoon breathes life into the flora of the Western Ghats. As the first drops of rain touch the earth, the entire landscape undergoes a magical transformation. The parched land drinks in the water and soon, a lush, green carpet spreads across the region. Wildflowers carpet the hillsides in a riot of colors. These vibrant blooms, in shades of red, yellow, pink, and purple, create a mesmerizing tapestry that stretches as far as the eye can see. Each flower, no matter how small, adds to the collective beauty of the scene. Orchids, in their delicate beauty, cling to tree trunks. These exotic flowers, with their intricate patterns and vivid hues, are a testament to nature's artistry. They thrive in the humid, rain-soaked environment, adding a touch of elegance to the dense forest. Ferns unfurl their fronds, a vibrant green. These ancient plants, with their spiral patterns and delicate leaves, are among the first to respond to the monsoon's call. Their presence adds a prehistoric charm to the forest, reminding us of the timelessness of nature. The air is filled with the sweet scent of jasmine and wild roses. These fragrant flowers not only add to the visual beauty but also create an olfactory experience that is both soothing and invigorating. Their scent lingers in the air, carried by the gentle monsoon breeze. The Neelakurinji, a flower that blooms only once every 12 years, transforms the landscape into a sea of blue. This rare phenomenon attracts nature enthusiasts from all over the world, eager to witness this fleeting spectacle. The hillsides, covered in these blue blossoms, look like a scene from a fairy tale. This is a time for nature to show off its artistry. Every corner of the Western Ghats is painted with the colors of the monsoon, from the deep greens of the foliage to the bright hues of the flowers. The rain, like an artist's brush, brings out the best in every plant and tree. It is a time to witness the incredible diversity of plant life. From towering trees to tiny mosses, the monsoon brings out the full spectrum of the region's flora. Each plant, in its own way, contributes to the rich tapestry of life that defines the Western Ghats. And to marvel at the wonders of the natural world. The monsoon is not just a season, it is a celebration of life, a reminder of the beauty and resilience of nature. As we stand amidst this verdant paradise, we are reminded of our connection to the earth and the importance of preserving these natural wonders for future generations. Section 7. A Kaleidoscope of Monsoon Fauna. The monsoon awakens the fauna of the Western Ghats. The forests come alive with the sounds of insects and animals. Frogs croak their love songs. Cicadas hum in the trees. The rain brings out a dazzling array of amphibians and reptiles. Snakes slither through the undergrowth. Lizards bask in the sun after a downpour. And the elusive Malabar gliding frog leaps from tree to tree. This is a time for wildlife watching. It is a time to observe the intricate web of life and to appreciate the delicate balance of nature. Section 8. Trekking through paradise, embracing the rains. There is no better way to experience the monsoon magic than by trekking through the Western Ghats. Trails wind their way through lush forests. They lead to hidden waterfalls and breathtaking viewpoints. The air is clean and fresh. The sound of your footsteps is muffled by the soft earth. The rain, a constant companion, only enhances the experience. Pack your rain gear, wear sturdy shoes, and be prepared to be amazed. Trekking in the monsoon is an adventure for the senses. It is an experience you won't soon forget. Section 9. Monsoon Tales. Local experiences and culture. The monsoon is not just about the landscape, it is also about the people. The local communities have lived in harmony with nature for centuries. They have a deep understanding of the rhythms of the monsoon. Listen to their stories, learn about their traditions, share a meal with them, experience their warm hospitality. The monsoon is a time for celebration. It is a time for community. It is a time to connect with the people and their culture. Section 10. Essential tips for monsoon adventures. Monsoon travel in the Western Ghats is an unforgettable experience, but it is important to be prepared. Pack light, waterproof clothing. Carry a raincoat and waterproof bags for your electronics. Wear sturdy waterproof shoes suitable for trekking. Carry insect repellent and sunscreen. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Check weather forecasts and be prepared for sudden changes. Respect the environment and follow leave no trace principles. By following these tips, you can have a safe and enjoyable monsoon adventure. Section 11. Embrace the magic, a journey awaits. The monsoon season in the Western Ghats is a magical time. It is a time when nature comes alive, a time for adventure and rejuvenation. So pack your bags, embrace the rains, and embark on a journey to the Western Ghats. You won't be disappointed.